Is Weigela deer resistant? Many gardeners have to deal with deer eating their plants. The key to successful gardening in areas with deer problems is good plant selection. Weigela can be a good shrub selection for deer-prone gardens. Plant resistance. Deer often eat plants with tender, smooth leaves. Mild flavor is also attractive to them. Weigela is sometimes eaten by deer, and is occasionally damaged. Location. If your neighborhood has a large deer population, or if deer are known to eat local Weigela, plant the shrub within closed borders, such as a fenced-in or a hedged-in area. Weigela planted near the house and near the scent of human activity will be safer than those planted near the edges of forests and thickets. Deer repellents. Deer repellents can be as simple as deodorant soap and bags of human hair suspended from branches. Commercial preparations often contain rotten eggs and putrefied meat. Deer have a high learning curve, so periodically switching from one repellent to another keeps them from failing over time.